All right, guys, we have returned to Fremont upon your thousands and thousands of requests to go back to Fremont. So we're gonna open this box and see what's in there. Everybody quickly moved their hands away. Well, what is this? A box within a box?
Oh no.
The Wolverine was here.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh yeah.
No.
Fork? Spoon?
Hey Aaron,
Knife.
go fork yourself.
You gonna spoon later?
Wow.
How are we gonna do this? We're gonna skate on these? Oh. No! Fetty breaks everything, literally! Are you kidding me? What did you do?
I was trying to test how durable it was to bending. They're not.
Maybe this will have to go like this.
Reinforced.
Well, now you know if you would have skated on it, it would have broke anyways.
Exactly.
Well, I guess that means
Look
that
at
all
that.
these are gonna break then.
Yeah. Oh, that's terrible.
I mean, these are really to like hang on your wall, not to skate on. This is a new thing I'm gonna try. I'm gonna take a photo of this and I'm gonna put it on my Instagram at Kyro, and you guys can also do at Braille Skate. And I want your puns. I want you to pun in the comments below, and we will get your puns in the video. After Fetty broke it by just like taking it out of the box, I'm a little worried that these are not gonna work. Oh, Fetty! I didn't think it was gonna fly so well. It went like, like the trident. No! Give me a hug. Oh wait, I got a new shirt for you. Let's give him a new shirt.
These things have taken a lot of silver wear.
We got some new shirts for you. This is the new Braille spring line that's going to be released at the spring line release party, which Andy Schrock, Brian Ames, they'll all be there. All right, so this is the Braille spring line. Let's just peep it out. Ooh, nice, nice. So you guys can come to the Braille Spring Line release party April 7th and meet Andy Schrock and Brian Ames and have a blast skate or dying. There will be much skate or dying occurring. Just shirts for days. It also just happens to be Gabe Cruz's birthday, so we made special shirts for Gabe Cruz's birthday. Look at that. Look at the Gab. It's got a basketball, it's got a skateboard, it's got Gab. All right, spring line release party. I hope to see you guys there. Tickets are available on the website.
Let's spoon, man.
Spoon me, Nigel.
Oh, your hair's too nice.
That wave.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh.
Oh, looking good.
Now you can look at yourself upside down.
Oh, I can't see anything.
Beautiful.
Try and make it stay on your nose.
It's not gonna work.
I got a machete.
What do you guys think, there or there?
Either way, it's gonna break.
There?
There.
Oh yeah, that noise, I love that noise. Oh, do you hear that?
This is forking terrible for my ears.
We're out.
Strike a pose with your fork.
I'm doing the classic pose.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh wow, yes. First try.
Fork, yeah! I got puns for days for this video.
Spoonfuls of puns.
Well, I think this is gonna last long enough to cruise around the park. You know, I think we're actually onto something here. This is what I wanted to do, actually. I want to build a skateboard that we can heat up and fry an egg on. Do you think we could heat this up and drop an egg in there and have it fry? When we go back to the warehouse, we'll do that, if this doesn't break. So keep that in mind, don't break it.
Man, this would be a serial killer. He got it.
You almost stabbed me with that.
Almost is not close enough. That looks pretty forking good.
Pretty forking good, eh?
I bet one ollie this thing's broken. This thing's gonna break off. So if you do a boned ollie, would it be like the Big Dipper?
Pun school coming soon with Potter. Well, it's kind of on there.
So do we have to skate the giant bowl with the spoon?
Yes.
It'd be funny if we got just a box of Lucky Charms just dumped in the bowl. Aaron, get it together, man.
Spoon you. Get it? It's like fork you, but not. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah. All right, it's finally stopped raining. Welcome to Fremont. We got a spoon, and I'm gonna see what you guys have thus far on the puns, and I'm really scared to break this. What's the scoop on this? Ah, got him! That was Kenny G Extreme. It's not gonna break, Fetty. Get your fork out of here. Oh no, I'm gonna just try and ride without it breaking. Oh jeez. Oh yeah. Oh, this is golden. It's bending with every turn. Wow. Okay, here, I got you, Gabe. Okay, I got you, Troy. Ah! We need more milk in the bowl. Toss that up here. Let's see if it breaks. Oh, wow. Let's kickflip off this. Well, it's fully bending. Like, literally, all you have to do is do a slight turn. You see that bend?
Oh, wow. Give it to Nigel and he can skate the bowl.
Here you go, Nigel.
You guys are crazy. See, I would skate the bowl with the spoon, but there's no cereal in there, so it makes no sense.
Oh, that's all forked up. Look how much this fork is bending.
You ready, Fady? I think we have one try for this.
You're pretty good at telekinesis the way you're bending that spoon.
If I land this first try, somebody like seriously owes me some cereal. Oh, that can be done. Oh, Fady! Literally everything we do.
I guess you just put trucks on that.
Yeah. On this part?
Yeah.
All right, let's try it.
I have no idea how to make it.
Like that?
We've hit a fork in the road.
Okay. Why is that so satisfying?
Pretty good scoop for a tray flip.
Ooh, scoop.
Jared Plante, being in this video is gonna make my day shine. Was that? Did he pun it there? Or?
I think you really have to take some time to reflect.
Jesse Glopez, you're a spoonful.
Are these hand wash only, or can we put them in the giant dishwasher?
Sure.
Brazobo, this video better come out spoon before I fork somebody up.
That was good. That was good.
Lance left 2 spoons.
Notice that it was all fine and good when I was on it, and then the second Fedy stood on it, he didn't even try a kickflip. I did a full kickflip. The second Fedy stood on it, just snapped.
I miss Lance so forking much.
Me too!
Best part was like, the videos aren't the same without Lance. He's been gone for 2 weeks. Oh.
So the videos are so different without Lance, and I literally commented, he hasn't been in the videos for 3 weeks.
We're just waiting for the Instagrammers to fork over some puns.
We gotta do at least a kickflip on one of these, somehow.
Whoa, what is you doing?
May you drink from the holy spoon. Oh, that's nice. Raspberry.
That looks pretty good.
You think we can kickflip that?
Oh,
The
yeah.
worst forking thing I've seen. Hold my fork. It was my turn. Before you had me break the spoon. Oh my forking
Wow.
goodness.
What's wrong with that?
How do you even stand on that?
Stop your complaining and do a kickflip. Okay, you ready?
Good again.
Oh! Aaron!
What's the fork?
It's still good, it's still good.
Surprised it didn't break right there.
If I land the shove it, I'm gonna call this video a success.
You gotta scoop it.
Oh!
No.
One time, my house in Brentwood, there was a place where you take your bike to do jumps. And I went down the biggest hill inside a dishwasher. I rolled down it.
What?
Fedy, you land this, I'm gonna dish you a prize.
Oh! No way.
All right, Aaron, you gotta roll away on it, or at least stand on it for 3 seconds.
1, 2.
Oh.
Wow.
Whoa, you could do
Spoon
that.
dolphin flip. 1, 2, 3. Late shove.
Tray flip.
Oh. Wow. Dude, I know what it was. Nobody's slow-mowing. Now you got it, Fedy.
Oh my God.
Right here, $100. Good thing you didn't hear that.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Jesus.
What the fork just happened? I cannot believe you landed that.
It's going viral. It's going viral!
It's
going viral!
We're viral!
Every skate Instagram is
I don't
gonna
know,
post
let's
that and tag Aaron.
Tag me, guys, at Aaron
Braille
Kyro.
skate.
Always happens.
Just wow. I think for that, we will give you the fork.
Fork, yes.
All right, Don Voyager.
we now fork over this large fork.
I like to fork and thank my forking family.
All right, guys, we hope you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed making it. It was spoonfuls of fun. Click this playlist right here to go to all of the other videos similar to this one, and you guys will have a lot of fun watching those. And then we hope to see you at the April 7th party. Like we said, Andy Schrock, Brian Haynes will be there, and we will release our new spring line. So get it there. I'll see you guys there. Tickets are available at brailleskateboarding.com. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Please subscribe, like, and leave those comments below. What should we skate on next?